Okay, the battery is open now. I have to just pick it up. You can see it's moving here and there. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna keep the mobile aside for a minute, maybe like this. I hope it is recording. I have removed the battery. You can see here it is. This is the old battery in very bad shape, and this is a similar kind of new battery. Okay, generally it is having a handle. I don't know where the handle for this old battery it is. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna set it up. This one, this is negative, this is positive. Cell got in this way, that side. Inside was the negative. Okay, I need to keep the mobile again inside. You can see negative cord went inside. You check your car how it is set up. If it is in the other way, then positive will go inside, but in my car the negative went inside and the positive is outside. Okay, now I'm gonna set up everything back. First the plate to secure the battery, which is this one. Okay, hope you remember. After this, you're gonna put the fuse box back. There was one nut here and one nut here. That's it. I hope this helps. Please hit the like button if you really like my video. Thank you. I hope this will help you for setting up the battery for your Ford Ecosport with the similar kind of model. This is 2018, and thank you.